I've always been interested in 3D printing and additive manufacturing as a whole, and then Juggerbot reached out to me and told me about the applications in pattern making and how that applied to us directly here. To date, we've saved about 20 hours apiece per trunnion on direct labor costs, and for our pattern makers that's huge because time is their most limiting factor.
I think it gives a lot of options to things that maybe we didn't think about that we could have done before. But I think it opens up doors that maybe we don't even know exist yet. I mean, for pattern makers, I think it could be really, really great.
So that's really gonna allow our pattern makers time as opposed to spending the time layering wood or whatever to get to that step. We're bypassing all of that. We're really focusing more time on what needs to be done to the part specifically rather than how we're going to be building the part.
We've got patterns that have been here for probably 60 years that we're still using today. Those things need to be maintained and stuff like that, so maybe there's a part on that pattern that isn't easy to make anymore with current processes, so maybe the 3D printing could help us on that.
It's hard to improve upon a process that's that standardized and been around that long, and especially improve upon a process that's already being done that well. I think that just really comes from the theory behind continuous improvement, small incremental improvements, and I think that also comes from our leadership. They've really been the driving force behind continuous improvement and always looking for innovative ways to grow and just become a better company.
If you would have asked me, I would have thought, you know, we don't have a need for 3D printing here. Now I see there's potential that we could actually use it in the future and maybe do some interesting things with it.